Here's Asher, 3 days old.
Facebook?
Oh, video.
Oh.
He's got the hiccups. There it is. He's all cocooned. Looking around. In case you can't tell, he's holding his head up and looking around all on his own. Not real amused. Alright, say goodbye, buddy. I'll take that as goodbye.